Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, August 14. Children who display extreme behavior will no longer have to enter correctional centers. Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna made the announcement in a statement Tuesday. She revealed that at its meeting this Monday, Cabinet approved legislative changes for the removal of the uncontrollable behavior label from children who display extreme behavior, which will result in judges no longer having the option of sentencing these children to correctional centers. Cabinet has also approved the review and development of recommendations for amendment to the Child Care and Protection Act. Emphasis will be placed on Section 8 of the Act, which addresses the circumstances under which a child is deemed in need of care and protection, and Section 24, which deals with the power of a parent or guardian to bring a child before the court. The Youth Minister had previously announced that the focus going forward was to identify and treat the underlying causes of the extreme behavior that brings children to the attention of the courts. The ministry has started the process of addressing such causes through an upliftment program for juveniles, which was launched earlier this month. Research data is showing high public support for the recently implemented ban on smoking in public places. After being in effect for nearly a month, the National Council on Drug Abuse has done research which indicates that 83.2% of the public support the ban. There is also a high level of awareness of the new regulations, with 97% of those surveyed indicating that they were fully aware of the ban and what it meant. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson reported the numbers Tuesday as he spoke at the launch of the Fontana Pharmacy Rewards Program for public sector workers. The Health Minister also indicated that there had been substantial enthusiasm to the call for comments on the new regulations. Tuesday, August 13 was the last day for public comments on the regulations banning smoking in specified public places. Work has been progressing well on the non-parallel water supply upgrading project in Westmoreland. The pipelaying aspect of the project, which started in June 2013, is expected to last for 4 months and will cost $50 million. Water Minister Robert Pickersgill and Member of Parliament for Western Westmoreland Wickham McNeil toured sections of the project recently to assess the work being carried out.
And to see if we are going to be on time and within budget, because that is of the utmost importance.
The $445 million water supply project is being spearheaded by the National Water Commission. It includes the installation of new transmission and distribution pipes as well as storage tanks. When completed in 2014, non-parallel will improve the water supply to residents of a number of communities, including Sheffield, Little London, and Negril in Westmoreland. Approximately 800 teachers turned out on the first day of the Ministry of Education's inaugural Education Job Fair, with an equally impressive turnout on the second day. The two-day event began Tuesday at the Ministry's Heroes Circle space. It was conceptualized to assist newly trained and unemployed teachers who are finding it difficult sourcing jobs in the education sector.
This is not a once-off occasion. We want to set up a special division that looks at the availability in the teaching profession, knows who you are, what your skills are, and how we can be in touch with you and help to place you, if not today, whenever an opportunity arises.
The job fair introduced the educators to various employment options as well as career development ideas. It included private sector partners, ministries and departments of government, and diplomatic representatives of the Republic of South Africa. And finally, students in Western Jamaica will benefit from an increase in reading material thanks to a donation of over 1,000 children's books. The books were donated by passengers of the Festival at Sea cruise ship, which docked in Montego Bay recently. They were presented to representatives of the Jamaica Tourist Board and Ministry of Education Region 4.
Your contribution of reading books will substantially boost Jamaica's literacy program, as many students will benefit from reading the books over the coming years.
The donation was facilitated by the California-based agency Blue World Travel through its children's book drive in collaboration with the operators of Festival at Sea.
We're here on vacation. We're here to have a good time. But at the same time, we recognize we have a human responsibility to share our love of knowledge, to share the joy of reading, to share the empowerment of literacy, because books open doors.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.